Many of us, if not most of us, would like to live a financially successful life. One that allows us to live life in our terms and pursue our dreams. And do you know that any one of us, like you and me, have the potential to make this a reality, to be successful and rich? But it does require some skills. But fortunately, you can pick it up easily. Hi, welcome back to Mr. Money TV, your favorite financial edutainment channel. In here, we are all about learning finance in a fun way. So if you like that, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification to follow us for the latest video. Also, do follow us on our Facebook and Instagram for the latest activities and updates. Over the many years in my career, I've met many people who are successful. And after many conversations with them and reading many books, I've come to learn that success is not an accident. And almost all these successful people share a set of common skills. Fortunately, some of these skills are so simple that even a primary school student can pick it up. So let's jump right in to learn these 5 skills that you can pick up to be rich. A little quiz here. What do you and Jeff Bezos have in common? Time! Whether you are rich or poor, you have 24 hours a day. The difference is how you use it. Successful people are known to be very careful with their time and more productive with their time too. In a study of more than 600 millionaires, millionaires and billionaires typically read, exercise and work more, but spend less time on social media and fewer sleeping hours. So, what do you spend more of your time on? Whether you're rich or poor right now, one resource that we all have access to is how we can control our time. You want to be wealthy? Start by spending more time to learn, read a book, exercise to keep yourself healthy and stay energetic. So, take control of your time. Remember the old saying? Time is money. The second skill, learn to say no. Have you been in a situation where you are doing things that you don't want to simply because you didn't know how to reject someone? Or have you been in a situation where you can't complete your task because you got distracted? All of us have been there. We all know that to be productive, we gotta focus. Focus helps us to complete our tasks in the most efficient manner. When you are focused, you are also a lot more creative. And we have heard many times that successful people are focused. And that is because they have learned to say no. To say no when someone asks you for help when you're handling your own tasks. To say no when someone asks you out when you still have a lot to do. Or even saying no to your mobile devices when you hear the vibration from your WhatsApp messages or emails. Learning to say no to distraction is a simple skill, but it is so crucial if you want to be successful. The skill of saying no is perhaps one of the simplest skills, but toughest to execute. This is because rejecting people is not a natural inclination for us as human beings. We all like to help people and feel good about it, but it is extremely important if you want to be productive and efficient. So learn to say no. Not every thought that crosses your mind needs to come out of your mouth or be displayed on your face. Learn to control your emotion. When you say whatever that is on your mind, you risk hurting the people around you. When you have hurt so many people, you are probably less likable. This means less people will help you or give you opportunity. According to the study, 94% of wealthy people will filter their emotions. They understand that letting emotions control them can destroy relationships at work and at home. So, always wait to say what's on your mind when you're calm and have time to think objectively, or just don't speak at all. Fear is probably the hardest emotion to control. The saying goes, courage is not an absence of fear, but a response to it. Both rich and poor have fears. They just respond to it differently. The rich overcome fear, while poor tend to let fear hold them back. So learn to control your emotions. The fourth skill, talk less and listen more. Wealthy people tend to be good communicators. While many think that being a good communicator means you can talk non-stop, that is not true. The best communicators are the one who knows what their audience want. And how can one know what their audience want? By listening. It is said that you should listen to others for 5 minutes for every 1 minute that you speak. You can only learn and educate yourself when you listen to others. Listening to others more helps you to understand the people you are working with better and allows you to help them better. And when you're good at communicating, the chances are you will be a good influencer. Finally, this might be one of the simplest and most important skills to get rich. The skill of setting goals. Goal setting is the key to building wealth. Study shows that at every income level, people who set goals are more successful financially and they feel better about their financial situation than those who did not. By having a goal, you will set a context where you consciously make daily decisions to allocate time and resources to achieve the goal, making it more likely for it to happen. A goal can be as simple as saving 10,000 ringgit this year end, or it can be getting a promotion by this year end. Setting a goal and achieving it doesn't just help you to progress towards wealth, but it also increases your confidence and quality of life. So, these are the 5 skills that you can pick up at any time to be rich. While these skills seem so simple to pick up, it plays an important role in achieving success and wealth in life. These skills would benefit you regardless of your financial position or in the industry that you're in. Building these skills into a habit will make you more productive and likable as a person. Such will open up doors for opportunity that you never expect. So, these are the 5 skills that you can start applying right now into your life if you want to be rich. I would say that it's so simple, even a child can learn these skills right now. Share with us in the comment as well, what are some of the skills that you think can help you to be rich and successful in life. See you next time. Alright, take 1. Learning to say no to distractions can keep us on track on the So, these are the 5... Ouch.